Let me show you how to fix the issue with custom emoji wallpaper not wanting to be applied on Google Pixel 10. So if you go to the Emoji Workshop and if you try to create an emoji wallpaper, if you set it up to anything else than the standard one, there is a chance that, for example, if you try to save it, there will be no preview, and if you go ahead and press next and apply the wallpaper regardless, you'll actually go back to the standard pattern and so on and so forth, these colors that are created by default over here. And in order to solve this issue, in order to actually apply the correct one, the correct custom emoji wallpaper, you just have to go back to the Emoji Workshop and you should be able to find your custom created emoji wallpaper over here on this list. So you can select your wallpaper over here. As you can see now, it seems to be applied properly, so we can go ahead and press next. And then we can apply on our home screen, for example. And there we go. Now it finally works. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.